I also have issues to do with the unnecessarily intrusive powers given to any police officer or any soldier in a SOE area, non-compliance with which is a criminal offence under paragraph 42. The offending provisions include paragraph 29, which requires answers to be provided to any questions a police officer or soldier may put to someone in an SOE area. Paragraph 26, which would require a spouse, a parent, or a child to inform a police officer or soldier of any contravention of the regulations by their loved ones. Paragraph 30, subparagraph 4, which allows, and I quote, photographs, descriptions, measurements, and fingerprints under the Fingerprints Act and the DNA Evidence Act to be taken from anyone who has been detained without charge under an SOE, and there is no provision for that private biometric information to be destroyed in the event that the detainee is subsequently released without charge. So they have their biometric information permanently kept. There's no provision for its release, even if they have just been detained and are released and never charged for anything. And furthermore, paragraph 31B makes it an offence punishable by a sentence of imprisonment to use abusive language. Abusive language. I don't know. In the absence of consultation, I would not be able to bring myself to support these regulations in their current form.
Jamaican people want better.